it's Kathy Rose Creations. I haven't done a video for quite a while, and this one's a little different. It's not anything to do with art or crafts, but I've watched these videos with these young women that do these beauty box things. It's like a subscription. Once a month you get a box full of cosmetics. Well, Allure had one where you got a special price for the first month, and then you could cancel any time, right? So I thought, well, I'll try it. Well, I've had it for, I don't know, like a month and a half, 2 months. And I canceled the day after they said they'd ship my first box, right? Well, they goofed and sent me a second box. I challenged it with my bank because I had already canceled the subscription, and I got my money back that they had automatically deducted from my account. So thank you, Wells Fargo, and shame on you, Allure. Okay, excuse me. But this is an unboxing. I have not opened either one of these. I took the wrappings off and that's it. But and I'm sorry, I don't remember which one was the June box and which was July. Let's see. Okay, very interesting. Okay, we got a little thing that it describes all the different cosmetics. Hopefully it tells me what to do with them because, oh, when I was a teenager I used to use a lot of cosmetics, but yeah, I don't so much anymore. That's the bottom of the box. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Oh, lipstick. Lipstick. Do I have that upside down? Yes, I do. Okay, let's see what it says. Alluring lipstick. It's got Hulu. Oh no, Huda. Oh, I can't. My eyesight's crap. Liquid matte lipstick. Okay. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. And it's full size. So, whoops, full size. And let's see what color it is. Not so sure. I'll have to try it on my mouth instead of my hand and see what it looks like. Okay, now I have stuff on my hand. Okay. Okay. All right, and they give you a nice little bag. I only have like 1,000 makeup bags, various sizes, from little itty bitty ones to bigger ones, because I get them all the time, and anytime I travel I get bags. My sister gets them because she travels all the time, and she gets tons of bags. So, this is nice. Whoops. Ow, I just dropped something. Rolled off my table here. Hold on. Okay. This is nice because it's transparent, so if you use it for packing in your suitcase, you can see what you put in it. Okay, that. What is with my table? Everything's rolling off. Okay, here's some fragrance. It's called K-Alley Vanilla 28. Okay. I like vanilla. I usually prefer spicy, but occasionally I like vanilla. And it is perfume, so it's not cologne or anything like that. So I'm not going to open it. Nice little sample of it, though. Okay, there's that. Eyelashes. I have some phony eyelashes, but I have a chronic eye tearing issue and they don't stick very well. But I might give these a try. I wonder if they give the glue. I don't know. Maybe they're the peel and stick or something. This is Texturizing Hairspray. O-U-A-I. O-E-O-I. I don't know what it is. Okay, Texturizing Hairspray. I have no idea what that means, but I shall find out. Nice size sample. Here's my hand, so it's, you know, what does it say here? 1.4 ounces. That's good. We have a Glide-On eye pencil in, what's it say? I don't know what color it is. Looks like brown. Oh, I forgot to tell you on the lipstick. What did it say the color is? Oops. Huh. Interesting. There's no color listed. Okay, it's good. Lip color. Okay, this is an eye. Glide-On eye pencil. Ooh, that's nice. It's very soft. It's not hard, so it's not going to pull in your eye. Ooh, I really like that. Urban Decay Glide-On 24/7 Glide-On eye pencil. I keep getting out of frame, like I'm out of practice. Okay, this is just some okay, this is oh, I guess this is the July box because it mentions the upcoming August box. So the previous one will be June. ShopHudaBeauty.com coupon. Into the trash. I don't need that. Oh, and by the way, I have been on a tear trying to declutter my home. I'm such a pack rat. I've done lots and lots. I have sent huge boxes and bags to Salvation Army. They're really making out. But I haven't done my art stuff. That's going to be last because that, you know. Anyway, long story. Okay, this is a Tony Moly Intense Care 24 karat gold snail. Ew. Gold snail. Hydrogel mask. Oh, cool. It looks like a face. See? Can you see that? Let's see what this says about the hydrogel mask. Oh, it... It says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cool and hydrating. Oh my God, you're putting snail crap on your face. I have snails in my yard. Maybe I ought to start harvesting them for their little crap. Honest to God, women, we are so stupid. We do the dumbest things. Anyway, oh, and then there's this thing that says a sneak peek. Oh, they're just telling you the stuff you're going to get next. Don't care about that. All right, that was July. Okay, this was June, so this was the first box I got. And another coupon for something I don't need. And, oh, and by the way, I got distracted. I started on this tear to get rid of things in my house, and I've been doing really, really well. But one of the things I did was I cleaned out my makeup. Oh, God, some of my makeup was like 10 years old. So it's like, you really shouldn't use old makeup. It's really bad for your skin and your eyes and everything. So, ooh, lots of goodies in here. Again, another pretty neon colored plastic makeup bag. So we got pink and we got green. I like those, they're kind of cute. Excuse me. Okay, here's another one. SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume plus refresh and hold dry shampoo meets hairspray. Okay, that's interesting. And Eau Thermale Avene Eau Thermale Thermal Spring Water. The heck do you do with it? Put it on your face, maybe? Well, let's look at the instruction book. It's pretty bad when you have to have an instruction book. Back in the day when I was a teenager, you know, you bought CoverGirl and you slapped it on your face and that was that. I don't know. I just never got that gene, that girl gene with makeup. This is a hydrating facial mist that, you take it everywhere. It's great for soothing hot, irritated skin. It's thermal spring water from Avene, France, hence the name. It's probably from New York City. Yeah, right. We really believe that. It says it's made in France. I seriously get a bottle of water and spray your face. Allure's probably very happy if they see this, that I'm not going to resubscribe because I'm trashing their products. Okay, this is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Oh, I got tons of eye cream. Doesn't do any good. One thing I did in my quest to clean out my makeup, I had tons of these little packets, you know, little small samples of lotions and eye creams and all kinds of stuff. So I kept keeping them in my suitcase, but every time I travel, I go to a hotel where there's shampoo and conditioner and lotion. So it's like, why am I saving these things for, and why am I hauling them around in my suitcase? So I gathered them all up, filled a basket, yay big, and now every day I'm using something different. Some new eye cream and lotion, and I have to smell them first because they might be old and a couple of them have turned stinky. But anyway, vitamin C Context. Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Well, we shall see. This looks like another one from France. Nope, New York City. Made in China. Okay. Nothing against things made in China. My Floss. Oh, what a name for a lip gloss. Floss. Reminds me of either flossing your teeth or cotton candy. Well, come on, open up. Okay, I destroyed that box. God, fumble fingers. That's what happens when you get old. My new favorite lip gloss. Oh, it's lip gloss. Didn't I just say that? Oh, okay. Yule. Oh, it's got a stick. Ew, it's really thick and sticky. I don't know about that. Ew. Well, I suppose if you rub it in, it's not so bad. And we have here some kind of eye pencil. Whoops. Okay, this is the Brow Gal. Tonya Crooks, the pencil, medium brown 04. Okay, seriously. It's very, very hard. Makes very fine lines. So I suppose if you're like, you have lots of patience and you're like drawing in your eyebrows, like most women my age, my eyebrows have gone the way of my perky breasts. I suppose that's a good thing. Oh, it's got a built-in sharpener, which is nice. Oh, it's got 2 in. Oh, and it's got a little brush thing to brush your brows. Okay, that's kind of nice. What I've discovered, and it was a hint from a friend, because pencils always look kind of, you know, they're just too harsh, or you can tell they're penciled. I use eyeshadow. I have a little foam brush that's on the end of an eyebrow pencil, and I put eyeshadow and I brush it in, and everything works great. It's funny though, because my eyebrows have disappeared, and when I put them on to go out somewhere, it's like I'm always surprised to see who's that woman with the caterpillars, brown caterpillars above her eyes. Oh, a couple things I missed here. This is something called Moral Canoil treatment. Okay, something for your hair. Let's see what the instruction book says. Oh, here we go. Holy shit. If you buy this in the store, it's $44. Oh, seriously, women? Oh, the spring water thing is $18.50. Really? Oh, $16 for the really honest. $35 for vitamin C all-day eye cream. Huh. Use Vaseline. I'm sorry. It's just too weird. This is why I'm not going to do one of these boxes again. Okay, well, it smells good. But it's something for your hair. I guess you put it on and you pull it up to the root, or up, you know, from the roots up to kind of make it stand up. I don't have any problem with my hair standing up. I have world-class bedhead constantly. Ooh, that sticky lip gloss is really gross. I don't think I'm going to use that. This is A+ high-dose retinoid serum. Retinoid serum, and it's Sunday Riley. Probably something for wrinkles. I could use something for wrinkles. Retinoid, oh, sorry. Okay, I don't see anything explaining what retinoid serum is. I assume it's for your face, which is a good thing. But anyway, let's, oh, it's like a, okay, whatever. Okay, those are my 2 Allure beauty boxes. Final analysis. It's fun to get all this new stuff. Some of the stuff I will probably not use, and I'm sorry if I'm not going to ever go out and buy this stuff because it's way overpriced. Anyway, that's that. Have a great day. Be nice to each other. Peace.